my channel. My name is Lisette and welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing. So for this month the theme is Boxy Chill, as you can see here, and this is the makeup that I came up with. I'm trying to change things a little bit for this year, and I hope you like it.
Alright, so let's begin by using one of the items I got on my Boxycharm this month, and this is the Rainforest of the Sea by Tarte, and this is their eyeshadow palette, volume 3. So we're going to begin by using Tiki. And we're just going to place that right on our crease. Then moving on to Malibu. I'm just going to be placing that color on my eyelid, like so, and just the outer portion of my eyelid. Moving on to the color Jewel. I will be placing that on my other portion of my eyelid, from my inner corner to the center of my eyelid. Using my finger to dive right into Compass, and I'm just going to place this shimmery shade right in the center of my eye. Now I went back to Malibu, and I'm just placing that on my outer V and a little bit along my crease. Now let's move on to Treasure. Now this color, I'm just going to place it right in my inner corner, just to highlight the inner corner. Now moving on to Jewel, I'm just going to place that on my bottom lash line. With the same brush, going right back into the shade Malibu, and I'm just going to place that right there in my outer corner of my bottom lash line. So then I got this longwear eye pencil by Starlooks. It's pink. Yep, not my favorite. I was like, what is it gonna do for me? But I went ahead and put it on my waterline to see if it would give me some type of color or anything, but honestly it didn't work for me. I mean, the color did not show at all. So, and plus it wasn't like a gel-like formula, it was kind of dry for me, so not my favorite, unfortunately. Yep. So moving on to lipstick, this one is by Bite Beauty, and this is in the shade Dragon Fruit. I love Bite Beauty formulas, especially on their lipsticks. However, this one, the shade is pink, and I'm not a pink lipstick type of girl. I don't think it looks good on my skin color. I don't know, I just never been a pink lipstick type of girl. Yep. So what I did, I just patted the lipstick on my lips a little bit to give it a little bit of color, so it wouldn't look too crazy on me. Yep. Okay, so the last item that I'm going to show you guys here on this makeup tutorial is this spray by Briogeo. This is the first time I'm trying it, and I love the way it smells and how it made my hair look. So it's really nice. I'm glad I got this on my Boxycharm. So I went ahead and cut my lashes off camera, and this is the final look. So stay tuned because I will be showing you next the rest of the items that I got on my Boxycharm. Alright, so the first item that I'm going to show you guys is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. They're amazing. I love Tatcha skincare. It's the best. So next, let me show you. This is the Bite Beauty lipstick that I show you on the makeup tutorial, and I'm just going to swatch it here for you guys so you can see how pink it is. And again, this is in the shade Dragon Fruit. And it says on the box that it's 92% natural, but it's just the shade didn't work for me. So now this is the Starlux Longwear Eye Pencil in pink. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys, but like I showed you on my makeup tutorial just now, is that it didn't do much for me. So next, this is the Tarte eyeshadow palette. This is the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. Lastly, this is a Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Spray.
Oh, and please let me know in the comment section down below if you'd like for me to be doing more unboxing like this with you guys, where I immediately try out the makeup and all the beauty products that I receive on my monthly Boxycharm. Let me know down below. I hope your new year, you started off your new year pretty nice, that you're already accomplishing your goals. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the bell so you don't miss any of my makeup tutorials or any videos here on my channel. I will see you guys on my next video.